Maybe you've seen one of those videos on social media where someone's filming lasers at a concert and your worst nightmare happens.
Destroy them with lasers.
Well, I got the opportunity to film laser welding, and I knew there was going to be risks filming with lasers, so here's what I did. I got a used camera body off of Facebook Marketplace, charged that to the client, and anytime they were actively using the laser, I used that backup camera body just in case, because I didn't want to risk my main camera's sensor. And that's how I got these shots of laser welding. Shout out to Slava from Liquid Velvet Films for helping me get these behind the scenes. So if you are involved in a video project that requires getting close to lasers, just don't risk your main camera sensor. Do what I did. Get a second body. It doesn't have to be top of the line as long as it can get the shots that you need. Pass that risk on to the client, and if they're a good client, they'll understand. So yeah, that's my PSA for filming with lasers.